We are back with another mind-blowing video. Hit the like and subscribe button to get daily brain puzzles. Can you guess what you're seeing in these super zoomed in photos? Let's find out. Great, it's orange. Look closely, what could it be? Yes, it's toothpaste. This one's tricky. Can you figure it out? It's a watch. Very easy, come on. It's a computer keyboard. Any idea what this texture belongs to? It's chocolate bar. Zoomed in and mysterious. What's your guess? It's sewing machine. Zoomed in and mysterious. What's your guess? It's smartphone. This one looks weird. Any ideas? It's a kiwi fruit. Zoomed in and unrecognizable. Can you figure it out? It's a basketball. Let your brain do the magic. What's this object? It's a printer. Only 1% of people get this one right. That's right. It's a bread. This might look familiar. Or does it? Nailed it. Cheese. This might look familiar. Or does it? Correct answer, soap. Challenge your eyes. What are you really seeing? Revealing the mystery. It's stumped already. Give it a try. Boom. It's an ice. Here comes a tricky one. Pay attention. How many did you get? Comment below. Don't blink. The next one's even harder. Bet you didn't expect that. It's a doing great, or still warming up. Want part 2? Smash the like and share. Look closely, something's hiding in the details. Now it makes sense, it's speaker. Seen this before? Think hard. Click the bell icon to never miss a brain twist. How many did you get right? Each question has 10 marks. Comment your score below. We will announce the winner in the next video.